Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's Wild Hair Wednesday. Well, today is Wild Hair Wednesday. You're going to see this on a Thursday. My name is Stephanie, you guys. Apologies for my appearance. It is Wednesday evening. I just came in from doing farm chores, and in Wisconsin, we have had some wild weather, insane heat and humidity, and yeah, it's a hot mess today. But I did get to the post office because, turn it around, my single swag has arrived for July. I will give this box credit. They always get this stuff to us very early in the month, whereas most other boxes, it's throughout the whole month. Sometimes the following month. These guys do a good job on this. However, I will not be resubscribing to this. When my year runs out, that will be the end of my single swag. I have found that it is not a box that I really have found value in. Now, I subscribed for 12 months. It was like, it's $400, I think, to subscribe for the whole year. However, when I did subscribe, they were running a 50% off coupon-y type sale. I believe I paid $200 for an entire year, 12 months, which I think when I did the math, gave me approximately, or the way they valued it was, you basically, if you subscribe and you pay in advance for a full year, you basically get about 2 months free. So basically it comes down to, I figured about $20 a month. I just don't find the value, you guys. We'll see. Some months are better than others. Let's take a look. It's really a lifestyle box, and I honestly, it reminds me of a really small down version of like FabFitFun, but it's just not me, you guys. They always give you a card, tells you everything about the value and the MSRPs. There's always a jewelry item that's in the like valued around $56. There's always a snack. It's valued $4, $5, or $6, and then there's a bunch of other goodies. So, let's see here. It talks about referring a friend and all that. Looks like the value on this box, the value they assign on it is $202. Again, this is July 2022. All right, let's just get into it. Like I said, this is what it looks like. Let's get into it. Looks like a makeup bag. It's an Ipsy bag. Not really, but it is really the size of the Ipsy base glam bag, right? Let's see what this is. I think this is the Sienna May Urban Deco oversized pouch, $28. This is what I'm saying, you guys. In Ipsy base, you get this for like $13, $14, right? 28 bucks for this. In Ipsy's base, you get like samples of goodies. You get like makeup samples and stuff. So it says this durable, stylish zipper pouch is perfect for carrying all your must-have accessories and beauty essentials. Use code SWAG for 50% off any order at mollyjacob.com. And it's MOLLIEJACOB.com. So, okay, sure. I don't buy it. I'm sorry. I wouldn't buy it. I believe this is probably our jewelry item. Very cute. Violet Harbor. $48. So it's a Jane bracelet and earring set. It says a fun set features a chic, stylish gold-plated bracelet accented with vertical bars and matching vertical bar earrings. So cute little bag, little sateen bag. I usually re-gift a lot of the jewelry. It is pretty. Earrings are a little goofy. Let me see. There we go. We'll do it like that. So the earrings are down here, and then it's a bracelet, and I'm just going to kind of tilt it so you guys can hopefully see the little vertical bars. I mean, it's cute, but whatever. Would you spend $48 on this in the store? No. You could probably find this at Claire's for less than $20. You could find it on Wish or Shein probably for $10 or less. So, all right, what do we got here? Something liquidy. Souay, New York, replenishing cucumber mist. Okay, it is cucumber infused mist, invigorates and hydrates, refreshes to revive the look of dull, tired complexions. 6.76 ounces or 200 milliliters. Let's see what they say. Ooh, $23 for this. It says it is an invigorating mist formulated with an infusion of nutrient-rich botanicals and cucumber essential water to revive dull-tired skin. Aloe vera and cucumber, both rich in essential vitamins and minerals, deliver a cooling boost of hydration. Skin is left feeling refreshed and revitalized. Okay, $23 for 6.76 ounces or 200 milliliters. Tell me down below in the comments, would you spend the 23 bucks on this? All right, what else we got? Little something, squeezy tube of something here. Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics Skin Reverie Body Glow Moisturizer. This is 30 grams or 1.06 ounces. What is this? This is a creamy, dreamy moisturizer. Really? That imparts hydration and incandescence at the same time. The superfine mica particles allow you to glimmer like a goddess, whilst an infusion Abyssinian oil, helichrysum flower, and artichoke leaf extract works to restore elasticity and promote supple, smooth skin. $39. It's safety sealed. I don't know if you guys are really going to be able to see it, but it is shrink wrapped from like here down. So that is that. Tell me if you would buy this in the store for the $39 that they are claiming it is valued at. I want to know. Inquiring minds want to know. Whoa, look, we got something that's in a bag. That's suspicious. Cool. It's a good idea in case something happens to it. Okay, we got Manicadar. It's a good brand. This is 60 milliliters or 2.02 fluid ounces. This is their Luxe Bath and Body Collection Moisturizing Hand Cream. Ooh, Manicadar hand cream, 2 ounces. What do you guys think? Very nicely safety sealed. I'm happy to see that. I was nervous because this was loose. What do you guys think price-wise? Manicadar, 2 ounces. I'm sure it's ridiculous. Let's look. $26. Ooh, Luxe Collection Hand Cream. Formulated with lotus flower oil, providing moisture and antioxidants to help stimulate and promote cell turnover. This is a non-greasy hand lotion, and it will leave your skin feeling refreshed and renewed. Apply a small amount to dry areas of the skin for softer, younger-looking skin. Okay, I want to know. Would you spend the $26 on this in the store? It's 2.02 ounces or 60 milliliters. I mean, I'm going to use it because why not? The box is only 20 bucks. Let's see if we can get this safety seal off. Come on. Honestly. All right. Jammer at it with the nail stuff, nail tools. Come on. These itty bitty little safety seals that are like jammed on here sometimes are really hard to get up. Oh, come on. It's coming. You know you want to come off. We all want to know what you smell like. Ooh. All right, got it off. Oh my God. Okay, wow, that came running out. And, okay. It seems very oily or very watery or something, and it's running all over my hand, sliding down my hand. Oh my gosh. Okay. You guys see this like trail of running everywhere? Oh my God. This was a bad idea. Okay. Not any major scent to it. I appreciate that. It's not greasy, but it feels greasy. It's very slippery. And it, like, way too much. You can say it's not greasy, but it's super slippery. I mean, there's oil in it. So, wow. For $26, I feel like I just, like, stuck $2 worth on my hands. That was a lot that came out. So if you get this, you guys be careful when it comes out. It just shoots out. We'll see if it dries down. Okay, we do have a couple more items in here. What is this? Charlotte Star. What is this? Oh, Charlotte Star foldable compact mirror. How much are you going to pay for a compact mirror, y'all? Tell me. What do you think? Say to yourself, say it out loud. What do you think this is priced at? I'm going to show it to you before I tell you, okay? It's got a nice little bubble wrap. It's cute. I mean, I guess, right? Looks like it's the same on both sides. Ooh, it's very mirror-ish. There's my mess. It's very cute. What do you think? What do you think? I mean, it's fancy, right? $22. It says, now you can touch up your hair and makeup anywhere on the go with this sturdy, high-quality, foldable, compact mirror. It does feel very sturdy. It's very heavy, which means there's a decent, mirror in here. Again, would you pay $22 for this in the store? It's a nice compact mirror. I'll keep this. I'm not going to complain too much, other than I would never spend $22 on that. Okay, I think there's one more item in here. It looks like a book. It is. It's a book. Well, I'll be darned. Okay. Is there anything in here about a book? Okay, it is. It's called Looker. It's a novel by Laura Sims. It says, on the Vogue Best Books list and named a top read by Entertainment Weekly, this easy reading, thought-provoking novel will have you on edge of your seat. $16. That's cool. Honestly, that's awesome. So, yeah. Let's see what it says. We'll read some of the reviews. Wall Street Journal says, Looker is sugar-coated poison pill of psychological terror whose wit and fluency cover its lacerating diagnosis of the deranging effects of envy. Oh, that's a lot of words. Entertainment Weekly says it is a wicked slow burn. The New Yorker says Looker is an ephemeral fiction with a hard landing, like a window seen in passing that glows and goes dark. What is that? Okay, I'm sorry. Really. But that's cool. Laura Sims. It's nice to see they're promoting a woman author. It says Laura Sims lives outside of New York City with her family. Looker is her debut novel. So, very cool. See if we can figure out when this was released. Let's see. Come on. I'm just looking to see what the copyright is on it. Come on. 2019. So, poor woman. It came out probably sometime during the year before COVID hit. But cool. $16 even says on the bottom here. 22 Canadian. So that's awesome. It's just a nice little paperback. That's cool. Probably one of the better items in here. I will use my Manna Kadar expensive $26 hand lotion. I don't know about this Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. This was $39 for this, and it's just a moisturizer. It's just over an ounce, 30 grams. That seems crazy. Some costume jewelry valued at $48. Cute. I don't know what all. I'm going to probably give this to somebody. Maybe I'll put it in a giveaway soon. Sooae, New York, Sooae. I guess, I don't know how you say that. It's right at the top. Sooae? I don't know how you say it. It's $23 for this. We got the mirror, which is, I'll use it. I'll keep it. That's a nice mirror. I wouldn't buy it, but I'm happy to get it. This is just ridiculously expensive. Yeah, $28 for this. Honestly, you guys, this is literally the size of the base Ipsy Glam bag that's like 13, 14, or 15, whatever it is now. And you even would get like little makeup things in it. So, whatever. It's cute. It'll go in a giveaway. I will do a giveaway and that'll go in a giveaway. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Would love to know what your thoughts are. Obviously, you guys, I'm pretty jaded, not at all thrilled about this box. It should run out. This might be my last month, which is fine by me. They value this box at $202. I paid $20 because I got a 50% off. This is usually, I think, it's either $39.99 or $39.95 a month. And like I said, I got a 50% off coupon, which is, do I get $20 worth of value? Usually I do, right? I mean, some of this isn't that bad. So I think I got my 20 bucks worth this month. I mean, they ship it for that $20 that I spent. So I think I got my money's worth. I don't think it's value. I just don't stuff. This stuff I don't think is valued at the full prices. I mean, I just don't. Most of the stuff I would never spend that kind of money in the store. I mean, hand cream, 2 ounces for 26 bucks. I would never do it. I don't have that kind of disposable income. Some weird cucumber hydrating mist. No. $23. No. The novel, that's cool. I like supporting a female author. I think that's really cool. The compact mirror, I'm happy to get. I wouldn't buy it for $22. The pouch I already whined about. The jewelry, I always think it's cute, but I never think it's valued at what they say it is. You know, and that little jelly pong pong thing for almost $40. I just, no, would never do that. So, all right, y'all, I really appreciate your time. Like I said, if you are new here, would love it if you would join my YouTube family by hitting that little subscribe button down below. And for my long-standing friends and family and such who are on here, please make sure you're still subscribed. YouTube's been doing its thing. You know, there's been some comments by people saying it only takes a minute to subscribe. You only got to watch for a minute. That's not true. You get unsubscribed. If you're literally clicking in, like watching 10 seconds, leaving a comment and clicking out, you do get unsubscribed periodically. I don't know. You also get labeled as a spam channel. So try not to do that, you guys. It doesn't help us. It really doesn't help us in the long run because you end up getting unsubscribed, and that's just no fun. So I did get a little something, like a sampler box or something, a little something in the mail. I'll probably have a very quick video coming for you guys soon on that. And then don't forget, you guys have been talking about it. I'm super excited. I do have an upcoming Christmas in July collaboration. There are 10 channels doing it. We are very randomly paired up with channels, other channels. It was literally Miss Sunny from Sunny's Place drew names out of the hat, paired us up. Yeah, it was a great way to get to know YouTubers that, you know, maybe we don't know. And I'm really excited. I just sent all my goodies out this week to my partner, and she sent her goodies to me. So we're waiting to get them. We're going to make our videos. And then the plan is all 10 channels are going to release our videos on a certain day designated by Sunny, who created this awesome collab. And I thank her so much for asking me to be a part of it. And then I know my other person, my partner for this, she and I are going to do a giveaway. So you'll have to watch up for that video. I'm guessing it'll be at least a week or so, but I'm really excited for it. It's going to be a lot of fun. So that's all I got, guys. Have a great one. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.